Customers worldwide believe in SSI SCHAEFER's innovative warehouse storage systems and are confident in the quality of our racks and shelving installations. We comply with European and local standards as we know that safety is an essential investment for your business. Following SSI SCHAEFER's recommended warehouse safety protocols, inspection, and maintenance processes, many warehouses have enjoyed a long-standing record of undisrupted supply chains. Even high-quality racks and shelving units can be damaged during operation due to unsafe user habits. These damages will compromise the integrity of the storage systems. SSI SCHAEFER prioritizes protecting customers and their staff from costly and avoidable consequences of racks damage during warehouse operation. Some of these consequences include serious workplace injuries, higher insurance premiums, damaged equipment and inventory, and even negative publicity, which can all lead to a diminished bottom line. With SSI SCHAEFER's own officially certified racking system inspectors, maintaining and improving existing storage systems is easy. During inspection, officers will check the status of the racks, its components, and whether it's used correctly via a visual control. They will then store their observations and any identified defects digitally within the SSI SCHAEFER computerized maintenance management system app. This data is summarized into an automatically generated PDF report for our rack safety officers to review and advise you on any identified issues to keep your warehouse safe. Think safer with SSI SCHAEFER. Click here to learn more.